Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, wash, fully dry, then section. Work one panel at a time so you keep consistent tension. Once done, pick a 1/2 to 1 inch strand, twist its base to anchor. Use clips to isolate borders and prevent unraveling because steady sections equal neater locks. Make sure to leave out any fragile ends you want to preserve. As you move forward, maintain even strand size. This controls maturation speed and the final density of your freeform dreads. You now develop knots by rolling and rubbing. Grip a strand near the root, then roll it between palms toward the scalp for 30 to 60 seconds. Firm, repetitive motion creates a core. Once formed, palm rub the length to encourage tangles and separate into distinct sections when needed. If a section resists, pinch small portions and backcomb lightly to start internal fuzz. Make sure to skip wax and instead apply a light moisturizing spray when hair is brittle. Since product buildup slows locking, you finish by encouraging maturation, not micromanaging. Let hair rest. Avoid daily twisting and manipulations that reset knots. Sleep on silk or tie loosely to reduce friction and mist water sparingly to reshape without saturating. Once each lock forms, separate conjoined pieces gently with fingers to prevent large fused sections. If a dread begins to unravel, re-roll the base firmly, pinch the knot, and repeat daily until it holds. This targeted action corrects loose spots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.